Gagajoy in Gagajoy's kitchen. Today we're going to be making fresh corn and tomato salad. And as you see, I've got the corn roasting. It's been roasting now for about 10 minutes, and while the corn is roasting, we're going to go ahead and make the salad dressing and the rest of it to go with it. These are little tomatoes. I got these out of my garden today, so that's why I'm calling it fresh tomato salad. Red onion, a cup of it. Your tomatoes need to be 2 cups. 2 cups of tomatoes and a cup of onions. A cup of red pepper. And about 1/4 of a cup. And we're cutting our fresh basil now. Again, this is from my garden. I love it, love it, love it. I love this time of year when you walk out and get anything you want out of your garden. It's always a joy. And I just have a little tiny garden. Okay, that's about 1/4 of a cup of basil. And a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And about a teaspoon of garlic salt. Okay, now into the salad dressing, 1/2 a cup of olive oil, 1/4 of a cup of rice vinegar, and it's a whole tablespoon of hot tomato sauce.
Sriracha.
It's sriracha. It's the good sriracha sauce. And a little bit of lime. Just the zest of a lime. Oh, that smells so good. Now I'm going to cut it, and we're also going to keep the juice. I'd say it's not a real big lime, so I'm going to go with maybe 2 teaspoons. Okay. And now we're going to stir it up real good. Let's see how the corn's doing. Oh goodness, it's been doing good. We'll put some of the ends in the middle. Seems like that's where most of the good cooking is going, doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna let it go for another maybe 5 minutes, and then we'll cut it off and we'll finish your salad. Well, the corn's done, and we let it cool just a little bit so we can get our fingers on it. Now we're cutting it off. And you can see it's cooked perfectly. Should have a real good flavor. This time of the year, corn is perfect. This is that called milk and honey corn. You know, it's yellow and white and sweet as honey. Okay, one down. Okay, I'm going to put all of our mixture in here now. I think since it's such a quantity changed. Oh, this looks, it looks as good as I thought it was going to. Let's look at it that way. And the smell, oh goodness. I'm gonna put our dressing on it. May not need it, I'll save some. Oh goodness, that even smells better. Now if you love tomatoes, and you love corn, and you love onions, then head out to do it, because this is wonderful. I'm gonna take a bite of it. If there was a better word than divine, that's what it would be. Oh, that's so good. Well, it's been a wonderful day. I've enjoyed a new recipe here. I hope you'll try it. Excuse me for talking with a mouthful. We've had a wonderful day. Remember the joy this week and all the people that are hurting, and share it when you can. We love you. See you soon.